Barbie was formerly a highly well-known doll who lived in the vibrant world of dolls. Barbie had gorgeous long hair, glistening blue eyes, and a closet full of girly outfits. She enjoyed spending time with her buddies, and the two of them frequently went on thrilling adventures. Barbie made the decision to invite her friends over for a nice day out one bright morning. "Hey, friends!" She called up her closest friends, Teresa, Skipper, and Chelsea. "Let's treat ourselves today by visiting a salon." The concept excites Teresa, Skipper, and Chelsea. They anticipated a fun-filled day full of laughs. They all decided to meet up there before embarking on their expedition. The friends were welcomed by Mrs. Sparkle, the salon owner, as they arrived at the establishment. Mrs. Sparkle was a sweet and gifted stylist who enjoyed giving dolls the greatest possible appearance. She ran a beauty parlor with brightly colored chairs, mirrors, and shelves full of various cosmetics. Barbie chose to sit in the plush pink chair first. She requested a fresh hairstyle from Mrs. Sparkle. Barbie's hair was cut and styled by Mrs. Sparkle until it was even more gorgeous than before as she worked her magic. Barbie loved her new appearance. Teresa came next and requested a manicure. Mrs. Sparkle carefully painted her nails, making them glitter like priceless pearls in the gorgeous shade of pink she had chosen. Teresa had beautiful nails. Skipper made the decision to undergo a posh makeover. Mrs. Sparkle gave Skipper a little makeup and a glam makeover. Skipper laughed as she caught a glimpse of herself in the mirror. She experienced a sense of stardom. It was Chelsea's chance at last. Chelsea requested some glitter in her hair from Mrs. Sparkle since she loves sparkles. The perfect amount of glitter was added by Mrs. Sparkle, making Chelsea's hair glisten and gleam in the sun. Chelsea had a princess-like feeling. After receiving their final makeovers, everyone thanked Mrs. Sparkle and walked out of the salon feeling beautiful. Every mirror they passed had them giggling and praising themselves. The best part of any experience, in the opinion of Barbie and her friends, was sharing it with them and creating priceless memories. They returned to Barbie's dream house with their new looks and hearts full of happiness, eager for more enjoyable and adventurous adventures in their fantastical world. In order to celebrate their friendship and the distinctive way it made each journey in their world, Barbie and her pals spent the day being pampered and having fun.